All right guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna do this one a little bit different. We're gonna start out with the running video, and then we're gonna end it up with the review / quick unboxing. Hopefully you guys liked the video. We had a blast making it. Make sure to hit that like button if you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned to the end to see our thoughts on it. All right guys, enjoy.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. All right, guys, we are back. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. The skate park, it was a whole lot of fun. We kind of lucked out. There was nobody there, which usually is the case either when it's raining or when it's really cold. Probably got about 25 minutes, maybe close to 30 minutes it felt like, with a battery. Comes with 2 batteries. You do have the option to buy this with a 3rd battery, which adds like an extra $5 or $6. You get a pack of tools, and then it comes with an extra set of tires. So here are the drift wheels and tires, and then here are the radials, just so you guys can see what those look like. Just rubber, more grip for more all-terrain. So if we pop this off, just to kind of show you the insides real quick, you have your brushed motor, your ESC receiver combo, servo, foam front bumper, plastic rear bumper, and then a little bit of a suspension for your small jumps, and then your battery tray. Simply just pop that open, and then that flips up just like that and hold your battery in. And then you do have a spot here if you want to install rear lights on the ESC. The truck version of this does come with a rear light, one tail light on the back, but the car does not. It does kind of look like a Mustang body, slightly. Instruction manual, and this is kind of nice because it shows you, it has quite a bit of information in here. And then probably the best part is all of the available parts for this vehicle. Now, whether these are available now, I don't know, but it's kind of nice to know that you can get replacement parts as needed in the future. Extra tires, body, motor, things like that. And it also has a built-in gyro. So you can adjust that. For better drifting, we kind of took it off, but to keep it more of a straight line with the gyro full, you'll see it kind of working, and it just stabilizes the truck and tries to keep it more on a straight line. And then of course we had to slap one of our new stickers on there. Transmitter does require 4 AA's, which are not included in the box. And one of the coolest features for a vehicle in this price range is with the transmitter here, which is actually a decent transmitter. You got a phone wheel, all of your adjustability. So check out the headlights here. With a flick of a switch. And then you have different channels here. The red halo over the light, just the light, or the red halo which looks pretty menacing. So that is pretty cool for a vehicle under $100. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Hopefully you liked our new intro. We're still kind of messing around with that. We felt our last intro was a little too long, so we are trying to tweak that, and maybe we think we found one. So drop a like if you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Send it.